It's been a while, but I'm back, and on today's video I've got 2 projects to go and collect, and I'm going to need a bit of help doing that, so just trying to work out who I can ask, but thinking, Blake?
Yeah?
Can you get me out and go and pick something up?
Of course I can, Martin.
As if by magic.
Alright, what a day for it. Martin, what are we doing?
Get rid of stuff.
We're getting rid of stuff. We got rid of the engine out of this because Martin wants to use that in something else. Yeah. But what are we doing with this van?
Scrapping it, get rid of it. That's where it should be anyway.
Yeah, we're getting rid of the van. I'm going to be in tow in a customer's 911, which I'm very excited about because it's a dream car of mine. And yeah, one day I'll get one.
One day Blake, you'll get one. You will get one.
Martin's got like 100 of them. But yeah, I'm going to follow him. We're going to dump this, and then we're going to go and what? What are we doing?
Pick up some stuff.
We got 2 items to pick up.
Yeah.
I'm actually helping Martin today because he needs a bit of help moving 2 vehicles onto this.
2 future projects.
Very future. One loves water and one does not love water. So there we go. Clue is there, but keep watching. It's coming.
It is.
We're off to mine.
Get some stuff.
Get some stuff.
We're going to get some stuff. We are getting something with 4 wheels and something with 8 wheels. When 4 wheels is never enough. Need 8.
Yeah, so one that loves water and one that doesn't like water, like what we've said.
Well, I think it likes water, but we're not sure if it likes water right now.
Nah, it could be like the Titanic,
Might
really.
get a little bit damp finding out.
Yeah.
We can try it. We'll see.
I feel like this is a vehicle that can go where no one can walk. Places where you can't walk, this vehicle
I
can
feel
go.
like we should try that out.
Yeah, I think we should.
You try and walk there, and if you can't get there, I'll try and take the vehicle there.
Take the frog. What are we going to call it?
I don't know. Well, we know what we're calling one of them.
Oh, we do know what we're calling one of them.
Yeah.
Which is a secret, and that will be coming later on
It will be
in
coming.
part of Martin's series that he will be doing to it, which I'll be trying to help a little bit.
Try and help.
Yeah.
I'm trying to teach you how to
Yeah.
use spanners properly.
Yeah, look. Doesn't work.
It's your delicate skin.
It is, yeah.
It is
Anyway.
your delicate skin.
Wiggly, fine roads in the United Kingdom. They're all really close and tight. Empty trailer. We're nearly there.
There's a law against driving around with an empty trailer. You've got to buy something and put something on it.
Yeah, it's just something.
Yeah. Doesn't matter what it is.
But we have literally found something incredible. What do you reckon, mine? Which one are we picking up first? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Impressions?
It's going to be a challenge.
I reckon it'll look good with a rooftop tent on there.
You can do that.
And take you places where you can't walk, really.
Yeah.
Definitely can't. Look at that. It's been sat here for I don't know how long.
How long have you been here?
Hey. 4 years? 5 years? You're going to need new tyres. Look at that. Even though it looks a brand new tyre. Oh, it's a shame. Look, brand new tyre. Destroyed.
Gonna be in there. I don't like spiders.
No.
It's never a good sign. Bilge pump.
Bilge pump. Oh, look at the it's chain driven.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Stay in that. Oh, broke that. Oh, look at it. Little flop that is. Carburetor here. Distributor, whatever is a distributor, whatever. Look at the state of that spider's nest. That is a snake's wedding.
It's a twin cylinder. Interesting.
What is it?
We'll try and get it going. I don't know. I have no idea what it is. It's green.
It's green.
It's green.
I reckon we should call it Toad. Look at it.
It's a Crayford.
Cray.
Fix or repair daily is bad at the end of it, but
Is that what it says? It's a Ford?
this is Cray Ford.
Oh, Cray Ford fix or repair daily. Man, this is a little project that Martin's gonna love restoring. Let's hope it doesn't need any fiberglass work because mine only deals with metal or wood. Oh wow, and a grinder. A grinder. Wow.
Right, let's get on the trailer.
Alright, let's get it on the trailer, yep. Definitely.
Nice.
How are we gonna get it?
Let's
Are you gonna pick it up here? No.
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah.
Pick it up on there?
Yeah, be fine.
Oh, go on then. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep coming, 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 keep coming. Whoa!
Put it down, just use the forks to push it. Yeah. She's on. And if it's on, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Wow, what exciting, Martin. Hey?
This is going to be interesting.
Incredible barn find, mate.
I mean, there's lots of them.
Yeah.
So this is just the start.
We're gonna go pick up another one, which is very exciting.
It's only 4 wheels, this one.
Yeah.
You can't take it on a boat trip.
No, but we can this one.
Yeah.
To the Isle of Wight
Yeah.
for fish and chips. Well, it's moving. Then on his own steam on the trailer because the other one that we pick up is over there. So, yeah. I'm alright, Ryan. Look at the chains. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh. Ah! I nearly fell out.
smell of gone off petrol.
Oh, it smells weird.
Love that smell.
Look at this.
More chance of this floating than we have the.
No, yeah. What? Now, what is this?
It's a very early 911. But what we're going to do to it?
What are we going to do to it?
We're going to, at the request of the owner of said vehicle, we're going to turn it into a Dakar off-road vehicle. So it's going to be lifted, put all the panels back on, fiberglass roof, redo the engine, and then put something questionable down the side of it, which we'll see at some point. But yeah, it's just basically going to be a Dakar off-road 911.
And you're going to have the privilege to do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mental.
I'll let you do a couple of screws.
How much is so? Right, for the viewers, how much would this cost if it is like fully restored?
It's probably over £100,000 this vehicle.
As it is now.
If it was fully restored.
When you're gonna put massive tires on it.
Yeah, off-road tyres,
Spotlights.
lift the body, spotlights, proper Dakar livery, the little bars or bush bars on the front and on the back.
Oh man,
It's going to be cool. It is going to be cool. Fiberglass roof, because obviously the old roof was cut out to have a sunroof in it.
You're gonna put a roll cage in it.
It will have a half a roll cage in it. It's not going to be full.
Okay.
Because we don't want to take up too much room. But then it's going to be used
And abused.
at events.
Okay.
And we have a very special name for it, but we'll announce that later.
Yeah, Martin will announce that.
It's funny.
This is another series that Martin's got going on that I'm helping him do. So
That's two.
it's two series.
And then
Series.
there's another one at the workshop which we'll go back to in a minute, which we're going to we'll show you. And then there's probably about another 30 odd behind that.
Yeah, Martin's fallen on a gold mine.
We've got the trike. There's all sorts to do.
Yeah, there is loads.
Yeah.
But it's all coming up in future series based content with bare metal builds.
With me.
With you.
Yeah, with me. You're going to get your hands dirty.
I'm
You
definitely.
do some actual real work for once rather than just peddling around a field.
I have. Look, this is my other knuckle.
Yeah. I'm going to go and ride a bike today and get paid for it.
That's what you've taken me away from doing. Taken me away from camping and biking.
Yeah, you can go back camping in a minute if you want.
Oh,
There's
cool,
a field
thanks.
right there. You can camp out there if you want to.
Yeah. Anyway, how are we going to get this now on there?
We're going to reverse the trailer up, put
Yeah.
the ramps on there,
Yeah.
winch it up.
Perfect. Let's get cracking. Oh, watch out, Martin. Don't get you cut. You get like some tuberculosis.
This is a
What do you get when you cut? What do you get when you cut yourself?
myxomatosis.
Myxomatosis. Mix your toes in it.
This is like what they call open top motoring.
Definitely right. Is it on, Mark?
It's on.
And?
It's definitely on.
Wow, what two incredible projects. Hey? Two incredible projects.
What have I got myself into?
Yeah, I don't know what you got yourself into, Martin.
I like a challenge.
That one there, the white one, that's a challenge.
I'm not sure it is as much as you think. That's got a weld and a grinder. So that's,
Better than that welding now.
yeah, that's as good as your welding. Show the people, Blake. Show the people your welding.
That's not my welding, Martin.
Oh, yeah, to be fair, no. The local pigeons have been busy. We're going to cut that out and rectify that. But yeah, incredible. Watch this. workshop now. Here they both are. So this is going to be, to expect this a little bit, but this is going to be a Dakar project, so that's going to be interesting. It is a pretty solid car, to be fair, and everything's kind of there, the engine, everything's there. And we know where the doors are, we know where the windows are, we know where the headlights, the bumpers, the wing the other side. So there's going to be a few bits to do, lift it, big tyres, that'll be interesting, get it running. And then this one is 8-wheeled Argo Cat, I think they call it, or an Argo ATV. Blake's desperate to try and take it across the Isle of Wight. Not sure that would be that much fun, but we'll try it anyway. But yeah, this is going to be a complete restoration, so we want to get it running, want to get the frame sorted, going to take the body off, going to get it all sorted out so that all works. But first, the trike. So just over 2 years ago, I started a YouTube channel, announced the fact that I was going to make a trike. Got everything here to do it. Sadly, then had to have a spinal operation, which I wasn't expecting. That didn't go to plan. That took me out for nearly a year. Had a second spinal operation. That's been now 9 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months. And so yeah, it's just settling down now. So now I'm back. So I'm going to push the YouTube side of things and show you things like this. But there is probably about 30 projects already lined up that I'm going to do. But yeah, the trike first.
Got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders.